Zhengxi's history has been accompanied by the great changes of China's reform and opening up, and it is also a witness to national enterprises. After many ups and downs, we have grown into a high-end equipment manufacturing company, integrating R&D, production, and sales. As a provider of high-end equipment, Zhengxi is always exploring the innovations needed by the industry and providing the industry with efficient and cutting-edge new technologies and service models. In the industrial era, which is progressing rapidly, flexible and efficient future factories will define the new landscape of commercial competition. In this new industrial era, we are committed to providing our customers with safer, more stable, efficient, and intelligent products. With innovation and passion, we strive to become the benchmark of the industry. In the tide of the times, Zhengxi is like a giant ship breaking through the waves, with several subsidiaries. The main products include 4 major series: hydraulic presses, bending machines, automated production lines, and industrial software. We possess advanced and mature technology in 4 major industries: composite material forming, metal forming, forging, and automotive interior forming. We provide customers with comprehensive solutions, from equipment to research and development to software support services, and from materials to finished products, achieving efficient one-stop service. The company holds nearly 200 invention patents and utility model patents. We have passed multiple Chinese standard system certifications and several international certifications. We have successfully won honors such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Sichuan Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, Sichuan Provincial Specialized and New Enterprise. Polishing product solutions requires comprehensive innovative thinking and extreme patience. By utilizing 3D modeling and conducting finite element stress analysis and motion simulation on all structures, we adhere to a rigorous design process to consistently provide customers with rational design solutions, from raw materials to production, from testing to service. We let technology empower meticulous craftsmanship. In the face of future changes and challenges, we lead with technological innovation to build a high-end equipment manufacturing enterprise, with a provincial-level enterprise technology center and collaboration with major domestic universities to establish industry university research joint laboratories. We inject strong vitality into our enterprise, forming a high-quality technology-based R&D team. We innovate to pave the way for the future. We user acclaim with quality and professionalism, inherit the sincere craftsmanship spirit, and lead modern factories towards innovation in automation, digitization, and intelligence. We leverage our extensive experience in the industry to regularly conduct lean production, 6S management, and professional skills training, from establishing connections in sales to providing full life cycle services to customers, including equipment usage and maintenance. We have implemented fully digitized management. We possess a mature, iterative management model that promotes continuous improvement. Quality is crucial to product competitiveness. We rely on enterprises' end-to-end digital quality management software to rigorously conduct process inspections, finished product inspections, and quality analysis. We implement a quality iterative management system, striving for continuous improvement because there's always room for improvement, thinking our products not just good, but better. Lean production, coupled with stringent quality control systems, polishes the cornerstone of development with efficiency and quality. Our aim in serving customers is to provide a professional and efficient service and offer solutions that are best suited to their needs. With over 3,000 users worldwide, Zhengxi is expanding its global footprint to meet the diverse market expectations and rapidly respond to local market demands. We're establishing a global service network centered in China to provide more professional and efficient services. By establishing offices and service centers in multiple locations, we aim to continuously expand our service coverage and advance together with our global customers. Rooted in a land of abundance, we strive towards the vast world beyond.